So next is we have representing first aid training providers, Engineer Roberto C. Rubina of Senior Quest Management Consultancy Services Inc.
Good morning to everybody. It's really inspiring to see many champions in safety right now, especially headed by our Labor Secretary. Together, we can really practice safety and health, preparing a safer future for our loved ones. So in behalf of Senior Quest Management, a safety training organization, a consultancy organization accredited by DOLE, and a first aid training provider accredited by DOLE, which I'm representing right now, we wholeheartedly express our sincere support for the celebration of the 2025 World Day for Safety and Health at Work. We proudly share in today's commitment to fostering a culture of compliance aimed at eliminating workplace accident and occupational illnesses as underscored by Republic Act 11058, an act strengthening compliance with occupational safety and health standards and providing penalties for violations thereof. And we all know as a safety professional, Section 15 of its IRR requires all establishment must have a certified first aider. Of course, we don't want any accident to happen. We want to prevent that. But in case of an emergency, a dedicated, trained, certified first aider must be present at the work site all the time. As a DOLE first aid training provider, we continuously emphasize the importance of safety and health compliance in all our interactions with our participants. We firmly believe that our message promoting safer and healthier workplaces, which have become our second home, will resonate not only with workers but also with their families and loved ones. May today's celebration, highlighted by the revision of its IRR, the release of the guidelines for temporary accommodations and welfare facilities for construction, and the efforts towards the ratification of ILO Convention number 155 serve as a reminder to remain vigilant in our compliance efforts. May it also inspire and guide us to embody and live out the principle of safety and health in every aspect of our work. We remain steadfast in our commitment in advancing and promoting workplace safety and health, not only for the well-being of our workers, but also for the protection and future of our families, loved ones, and generation to come. So to the Department of Labor and Employment, the Bureau of Working Conditions, and the Occupational Safety and Health Center, our heartfelt congratulations on the successful celebration of the 2025 World Day for Safety and Health at Work. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. Maraming salamat po.